What are the benefits of volunteering? Volunteering means to carry out a duty or a job without expecting repayment or remuneration. This concept is very popular in the advanced of rich countries such as United States, Australia, United Kingdom, and other Western nations. In laws, the concept is rather alien as may look at volunteering as rendering help without expecting payment in return as a waste of time and effort. However, there are many benefits one can gain through volunteering. When one volunteers to help out someone such as friend, teacher, or parent, one is immediately seen as selfless and helpful. When you help a teacher to clean his classroom or get involved in cleanliness campaign at the school level or other community project, your standing would be elevated. Teacher and adult would look at a young person who volunteers his or her time for a certain activity as mature, responsible, and deserving of respect. In addition, volunteering with an organization such as Orphanage Community Center and other non-profit organizations such as the Society for Prevention of Cruelty towards Animals and other welfare organizations allows you to interact with society at large. In addition to helping these organizations carry out their duties, you not only gain experience but can learn a variety of skills. This is especially beneficial for a student, even though one is not being paid through volunteering time, effort, and skill. One would learn more than what money can buy. You can learn to be bold, assertive, independent, as well express your opinions and gain communication and interpersonal skill. In laws, this is lacking. Thus, the responsibility falls on the teachers to encourage a student to volunteer their times not only for school activity but to spend their leisure in helping out community-based organization. Volunteering also allow one to become more mature at a relatively younger age. When you are exposed to volunteering at a young age, be at be a, be at the home front, school, or their organization, you would learn the importance of responsibility in carrying out your duties to the best of your ability. Embarking on volunteer activity would enable one to learn survival skills such as responsibility, ability to express ideas, as well as the importance of hard work and diligence. Volunteering also exposes one to many interesting ideas and issues. For example, if you volunteer your time regularly at a charity organization, you would learn how the organization works and the importance of teamwork and other essential ideas related to the day-to-day operation of the organization. You will not only enhance your general knowledge but also learn how to deal with problem challenge as well, dealing with different types of personality. Thus, there are many benefits to be gained by volunteering. A student, in particular, should be allowed to participate in volunteer activity to enhance their knowledge as well, learn useful interpersonal and organization skill.